This is Minimalist and Declutter Challenge. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel and all the amazing creators in the playlist. This month I didn't declutter as much as last month. Last month I went in big. This month I've been dealing with allergies and a cold, and so I didn't do as much. I sorted through my Tupperware and I got rid of a lot of Tupperware. And I sorted through a bunch of seeds, which you'll see later in the video. But this is the other stuff, the miscellaneous things I'm getting rid of besides these two Christmas items, because I'm starting to get my Christmas out and decorate and go through my Christmas a little bit. And this ribbon. And I downsized from 2 of these on my desk to 1 because I really didn't need to, and it was taking up quite a bit of space. And last but not least, my husband has already done the Christmas on above my cabinet, so I'm going to get rid of 1 item that was up there. I'm getting, every year I take down less and less stuff from above my cabinets because I'm tired of cleaning that stuff. So we're going to go 1 less item again this year. I got rid of a whole bag of expired seeds. A whole recycling bin full of containers with no lids.